see over here. So this is box. You're getting idea where it is. When I draw this one, okay, I make it little bit up. This thing's little bit up. Okay. So it's not exactly in middle. It is shape like that much. Okay. First draw like this. Now I will go ahead to okay. This is my basic steps, and now go ahead to create very fast. Okay. So in this box you are planning to create. First make it roughly layout. Okay. How to make this this scenery? I make this. You guys also making the very fast sketching. Okay, this is very fast sketching. Only how to create the layout design of for the animation. When you create the animation, okay. The characters, small things I'm just using over here. The I'm using the 1 point perspective for this drawing. So this 1 point perspective, I just using this. Okay. And okay, this is the 1 point perspective. And now here, so this perspective help you to draw, to understand the where the base of line. Okay, this house is here. Okay, I just change the color uh, to red, blue. So this is the way I just teaching. This is the way to create landscapes for okay, landscape for animation, background design. Okay, I just next steps I go. I'll go the next steps for more details. Okay, so see over here. So first 1 point perspective I do this, and here I just start very this drawing just taking the 5 minutes. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes we have practiced this drawing to understand the how we're doing this, the landscape sketching landscape layouts. Okay, Ida, beta understood? No, Ida is audible. Shantushti is audible. My voice. Just I go to this. Check my voice. Hello. Just my voice is audible. मेरा voice सुन पा रहे बेटा? Speaker on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now I listen. Harshit is Aida, Shantushti, Harshit, Arsh. Okay, fine. So for this is how the sketching. Okay, how just I make sketching. Okay, no. So make this lots of lines over here. So this is completely layouts. Now I just make the realistic. This is the one point perspective, right? So I can make it draw this line very small. How to create the roads, perspective roads, okay?
So should I do this with a blue color pencil or a
Yeah, you can
marker?
use the blue color pencil for this, for the sketching. If you are using this is
Okay.
better.
Yeah,
Blue
makes sense. Okay. Okay.
I'm using blue color pencil for this. Okay, so because of blue color pencil, the first black color, say I just making the perspective, and according to the perspective I creating the step by step this uh, proportion with perspective how it looks coming. Okay, with perspective how look coming the characters. This is called the layout practice, how to the animators and the artists are making the layout for his background drawing. That is I want to share you over here. Okay, I hope then if you are also practice like this, slowly you can understand and you can learning these things. Okay, Ida understood better. Ida is there? Ida there? Hmm?
তখন থেকে ওটাকে বিয়ে করার চেষ্টা করছে, যাচ্ছে না, পুরো জল পুরো ভর্তি হয়ে গেছে একদম
কি
ওয়াশ বেসিনটাতে, পুরো কাজ করতে পারছে না।
ওইটা ভ্যাকুমটা কেনা হয়েছে না, হাত দিয়ে বের করানো খুব নোংরা মুশকিল লাগে।
আমি তো করছি এতক্ষণ ধরে,
কি
হচ্ছেই না কিছু,
কোনটা দিয়ে করছো?
হাত দিয়েই করছি পরিষ্কার।
ভ্যাকুমটা তা নেই?
হ্যাঁ,
ভ্যাকুম থাকে না একটা ভ্যাকুম?
তুমি ভ্যাকুম কিনতে যাবো?
লাস্ট থেকে আমাদের কথা বলে আমি বসে আছি, শুধু দেখছো ব্যাচ নিচ্ছি একটা।
একটু একটু এসে পাট চাপাতে পারছে না, বুঝতে পারছে পুরো ভর্তি হয়ে গেছে ফিটিংটা, পুরো নিচে থেকে একটুখানি এ করে দিলে পরে চলে যায় পুরো জলটা, বুঝতে পারছি না কোথায় করে।
ওয়েট ওয়েট
দুবার ঢুকলাম, থাকলাম, কিছু বেরোলো না। দেখো পুরো একটা ব্রাশ দিয়ে আমি পুরো ইয়ে করে দেখি।
ওয়েট দাঁড়া একটু। Just make lines. See here, this is some stone. Here's some stone, small stone, tree, the land. Okay, this is the not flat land. And so far, দু তিন মিনিট 5 মিনিট দাঁড়াতে হবে এটাকে শেষ, 2-5 মিনিট দাঁড়াতে হবে। এটা দুটো তিনটে রেকর্ড চলছে, ফেসবুক লাইভ চলছে, পেছনে গ্রিন স্ক্রিন লাগানো আছে, সব কিছু চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে 2 মিনিটের জন্য। তুমি মনে হয় এমনি এমনি সেট করতে আমার লাগে আধ ঘন্টা। Do like this, creating the characters. Here there's some tree. This is something mountain kind of things. Okay. This is a mountain. So this is quick sketching. We are Okay, this lands. See how to create this amazing landscapes. This all this mountain. So normally I'm not that much teaching this landscapes and all creating. Today I'm showing because I feel that landscapes are we are avoid lot, but if you're not learning the landscapes perspective drawing, you never learn uh, full drawing, full face drawing. If you want to learn, you need this practice. Okay, this quick sketch that just take this few minute times more. We are go to the next. We are at least try to the 4 5 drawings finish. At least 4 drawing, one landscape, one sketching. Well, okay, one painting also the are continuing, right? This is also to be. This is the land. Understood, beta? Santushti understood and Santushti Arch.
Yes, sir.
Good. Make this quick landscapes sketching hill area with the perspective maintaining. I'm using little black. Okay, you can do the next drawing after that. So finish fast as fast possible. You can go ahead to the next. To the Harshit, understood, beta? Harshit.
Yes, sir.
Good. Make this as much as possible sketching. I just add something little black color here and there. Okay. So finish first this drawing. Okay. I just coming the next one animals. One the landscape is done, so I can go the next with one animals, then one port characters. Okay, so we can practice more. Uh, I just make it little bit of add. Okay, something little bit of gray color. Okay, just add bit gray strokes. For understand this light and set. So more, which is more looks visible when you can use this something with little bit of color, like a pencil shading. I just use this little shading. Okay, this is that much for first steps. Finish that much. We can go the next as the what about jaldi animals drawings. Okay, I create the scenery with my virtual cameras are virtual camera. Understood, beta? Finish it first. Okay. What more? We can go ahead to this. Stop. Record.